Welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money with a profitable side hustle. When you ponder money, what comes to mind? You probably think about the paycheck that comes in every 2 weeks or your bank balance at the end of each month. We all work hard to make enough money to pay our bills and live comfortably, but there are other ways to make money. Think about it. There are people out there who are living very comfortable lives without even having one source of income. Side hustles are one of the best ways to get income from your home, and you are never too old or young to make extra income in this way. However, not all side hustles are the same, and if you want to make money with a side hustle, you need to pick the right niche and know what you are doing. Keep watching this video until the end, because after you know which 3 ways can help you make money with a profitable side hustle, I'm about to share a bonus with you at the end. So check out these 3 money-making side hustles and see which ones fit your life the best, so you can get started making real money online today. Before kicking off, if you want to improve your current financial situation, don't hesitate to hit the like button now. Turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we upload one. Most importantly, if you don't want to miss any information related to wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you are all set, then let's get started. The first one, real estate. Real estate is an excellent way to make a side income. It's an attractive asset for tax purposes. Plus, you can leverage your investment by borrowing money from the bank or using your own money. I know you may say, "What? Using my own money? I don't have enough money." Don't get me wrong, do you have a question that comes to your mind like this? Making passive income through real estate seems like I require an initial cash outlay on the front end, but I don't have a large amount of money. How can I profit from real estate without using other people's money, because it seems risky? If you have a similar question like this in your mind, then have you ever thought of Airbnb? As you can see, renting out your spare room on Airbnb can be one of the top paying side hustles. You can earn more than $900 per month in general. You don't need to spend money on marketing, because Airbnb will add your place to its website. That means your marketing cost is zero from your site, but you can gain more than $900 per month in general. Can you imagine that there is a big profit margin in front of you? You may ask, how about if I want to earn more than $900? 900 is just a figure in general. You definitely can earn more than this income. Does it sound great? Well, how much you can earn depends on what service you can provide, whether the quality of your home is good enough or not, and your home location. Remember, location is the golden rule of real estate. In short, making passive income from real estate could be the ideal solution for someone looking for creative ways to make money or seeking new millionaires' side hustles so they can eventually retire early, which is many people's dreams. Also, you can invest in other people's properties, become a landlord, flip houses, or rent out rooms in your home, just like MBB. Professional networks or real estate agents also cater specifically to those who want to invest in real estate for financial gain. Here is the second one. Create your product or service. You can create your product or service from scratch to make money with this profitable side hustle. In this section, I'm about to share the product part and the service part, respectively. Here is the product part first. You can create your products by turning your idea into an ebook, course, or webinar. Once you have created it, you can sell it on your chosen platform, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or digital. If you conceive an idea all of a sudden, then you can write a book and sell a story through Amazon to convey your idea all over the world. Take the real story of J.K. Rowling as an example. She also conceived the idea of Harry Potter all of a sudden and wrote it down. Now, she is a well-known author internationally. You can also write a life-changing book as well, just like Rowling. You never know, the change can be way beyond your imagination. With that being said, here is the one thing to remember is that creating your product takes time because you must develop the materials from scratch. If you are willing to put in the effort, go for it. You may be shocked by the amount of cash this one could generate. Nothing is stopping you from doing what you pursue. And here is the surface part. Have you tried digital marketing or social media management? Another great way to make money with this profitable side hustle is through digital marketing or social media management. When you can help business owners to get more visibility and eventually get more revenue, then they are willing to pay you 3 to 5 figures per month if you have provided value to help grow their businesses successfully. With all the tools available today, such as Facebook ads, Twitter campaigns, and Instagram promotions, it has never been easier than ever before to market yourself through social media platforms. All you need is the willingness to spend more time getting familiar with these tools. However, once you have mastered them, then there's no telling where your digital marketing campaign will take you. Number 3, freelancing and consulting. Freelancing and consulting can be a way to make money with a profitable side hustle. It's an excellent choice if you wish to make some extra cash or have more flexibility in your schedule. It is also a great way to find out what type of work you enjoy doing on the side. You can be an expert in any area, whether digital marketing, graphic design, email copywriting, or something else. The services will be more valuable to someone who needs them than they would be to someone who doesn't need them at all. Take email copywriting as an example. As you can see, if you're willing to keep writing emails that can help business owners generate revenue, then you can earn $2,000 per email. Picture this: if you're willing to write 5 emails per month that can help business owners generate revenue, then that means you can earn 10 grand as a side hustle. Can you imagine your side hustle can earn more than your day job? With that being said, one downside to freelancing is that sometimes you must wait for clients or projects to come your way. Also, freelancing usually means no benefit like healthcare or paid time off. It's always important to carefully weigh your options before deciding which path to take. Fortunately, many websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and others are dedicated to connecting freelancers with people who need their skills. Log on when you are ready to work, see what's available, and choose the best fit for your schedule. Now, if you are still watching this video, here is your bonus as I've mentioned at the beginning. Are you ready? If yes, then let's go. Here is the 4th one: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is among the simplest ways to make money. The best aspect is that it is feasible, lazily, and at your own pace. All you need is an affiliate link, some products or services you believe in, and creativity. The advantage of affiliate marketing is you can make a side income without wasting your time creating a product from scratch. Instead, you just need to promote others' products by using your affiliate link, and once you succeed, then you can get a commission. You may ask, how much can I earn with affiliate marketing? Well, it depends, because some affiliates offer a better rate, around 40% to 75%, while others offer a lower rate, below 40%. You may also ask, if I want to make a side income but I don't have any product or service to sell and don't know what to do, then the option of affiliate marketing can help you. Moreover, if you have a day job currently and don't have enough time to create your product or your service, then choosing affiliate marketing can help you. However, we need first to examine how affiliate marketing works. First, find a product or service that you feel good about promoting. You will want to create an affiliate link for this product. You may ask, what is an affiliate link? An affiliate link is a unique link to the product page from your website or social media account. After selecting the product and creating an affiliate link, promote it, whatever you would like. For example, you can earn commissions through affiliate marketing by selling digital items online, such as online courses. You may also ask, how can I make money online as a side income? Through affiliate marketing, you can create content on YouTube and earn money through affiliate marketing, or you can set up an account on ClickFunnels and make money online. If you want to know more details, then feel free to click the links down below after finishing watching this video. So, as you can see, so many opportunities to make money outside. Why not share these opportunities instead of keeping them all to yourself? You can make extra cash by referring friends, family members, co-workers, and acquaintances. As long as you don't mind sharing your knowledge of these products or services with others, then affiliate marketing could be right for you. This marks the end of the video. Again, if you want to discover more about how to make money online, feel free to click the link down below now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.